Today, we're cooking paksiw na isda, the ultimate asim kilig experience. Simple lang pero promise mapapa-extra rice ka rito. Let's get cooking. Ayan na! Perfect balance of sour and spice. Ang bango, diba? If you love this recipe, hit that follow button and let me know in the comments. Anong paborito mong isda pang paksiw? See you on the next one.